Babes, welcome back to the channel, your girl Sweet Angel. Y'all, today we're going to be talking about a wonderful collagen boosting vitamin C serum that's going to be so great for your skin. I recently went out of town, so a couple of days on the road really will do a number on the skin. Now, this vitamin C serum that we're going to be mixing up ourselves today is going to help boost collagen. It's going to help to smooth your skin. You're going to have smoother skin. You know, these little blemishes that I get when I'm on the road eating fast food, you know, just not taking care of my skin like I do when I'm here at home. It's time to get back to it. Now, vitamin C plays a very important role in your skin health. And that's mainly due to its antioxidant properties. So today, mixing this up is gonna be so great. Once we finish it all up, you can store this in the refrigerator and use it primarily at nighttime. The reason being that it contains vitamin C, of course, and vitamin C shouldn't be used during the day if you're going to be exposed to the sun. So be mindful of that and make sure that you put it in your bedtime routine. Let's go ahead and mix it up, and we'll talk more about it as I'm making all of the preparation for your collagen boosting vitamin C serum. It only takes about 5 minutes to prepare. Have a teaspoon, a quarter of a teaspoon, and also a tablespoon. We'll be taking 1 teaspoon of the vitamin C powder. We'll also be taking 1 teaspoon of this distilled water. And it also calls for 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can also substitute this with aloe vera juice if you have it on hand. And we'll be taking a quarter teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Now, vitamin C serums can get rather expensive. This is a great way that you can whip up your very own at home and save you a whole lot of money. This DIY serum is going to help illuminate your dulled, tired skin to look visibly energized. You can instantly brighten the look of your skin with this Power Pack Collagen Boosting Vitamin C Serum. Now, your skin has to work very hard to fight against so many elements. Vitamin C is going to aid in the repair and renewal of your skin cells. This repair and renewal helps keep our skin looking youthful and healthy. Now, mind you, our skin, it's very smart, but sometimes it does need a little help, especially as we get older or experience major life changes like pregnancy or too much sun. So adding vitamin C to our skincare routine will actually help with a lot of issues, even like brown spots and scars. And again, just use it before bedtime. Wash your face. Use a small amount of the vitamin C serum and then use your moisturizer. Always shake the serum bottle before you use it. And if you're going to be exposed to the sun during the day, do not use this vitamin C serum. So we'll just whisk all the ingredients until the vitamin C powder is completely dissolved. And once it's dissolved, we'll go ahead and place it in a container for storage. So it'll take just a little while before that completely dissolves. So what I'm going to do is taking an amber color bottle, I go ahead and label my bottles so I'll know exactly what I have. And then we'll just take the little funnel, pop it right there, and we'll go ahead and pour in the vitamin C serum. and the rest of it will dissolve in the bottle. As we will not use it immediately, we'll let that all dissolve. We'll just put it in the refrigerator and make sure you shake it well before use. And there we have it, your very own homemade, your DIY collagen boosting vitamin C serum. Now you can store this in your fridge for 1 to 2 weeks. Now this serum, when you use it, again, before bed, do not use this if you're going to be exposed to the sun. And absolutely do a patch test before using this on your face overnight. And it's best to always put the date on here as well. I know mine will not be lasting 1 to 2 weeks, so I'm not going to worry about it, but I will store it in the refrigerator, but it can be kept up to 2 weeks. After the 2-week mark, the serum's pH level will actually change. So at that point, it's time to toss it out. And there you have it, your very own collagen boosting vitamin C serum. Very easy to make. You can do this right at home. And it does smell quite citrusy. And that's it, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you did in fact get something out of this video today, please put a like on this video. Also show me some love by putting some hearts in the comments section. I love that so much, y'all. And if you did not get notification of this video, please be sure to turn on your post notification bell and click that you want to receive a notice on all the videos that I upload in the future. So please do that. That'll help me out so much that you tune in and watch these videos. Thank you so much again. I'm your girl Sweet Angel signing out for now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell and do me one more favor. That's it. Share your girl with your world, and I'll see you on the next video.
I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, maybe just a better kind of